gonna spend the next 50 hours buried alive in this coffin. Probably the dumbest thing I've ever done. Boys!
Yo, what's up guys? कैसे आप सभी लोग?
Welcome to my coffin. I have a camera here, down by my feet. Oh, stop.
Alright, we're set.
Boys, can you hear me?
Yes, over.
This is terrifying. Oh my god. I can like feel the weight of the dirt on it.
MrBeast 6000, yeah, you know his name. He changed it once or twice, but I think it's here to stay. His thumbnails, well, they're made in paint, but if you ask me, I think they're kinda quaint.
Do these challenges, people are always like, Fake, you didn't show us how you use the bathroom. So since you guys want to know, this is how. I'll be back in a second. I feel much better now. Alright.
Jimmy, we have to tell you something really important before we leave. Did he just leave without that? Yo, Jimmy, I just want to let you know all the monster equipment is now officially inside of this truck. It is about to start raining and also tornadoes coming. Wait, the tornadoes coming? Yeah, but you should know.
MrBeast 6000, yeah, you know his name. He changed it once or twice, but I think it's here to stay.